TikTok Shop. Detailed sales insights. TikTok Shop provides detailed sales insights that allow sellers to track performance, measure growth, and optimize their store effectively. Through the TikTok Seller Center, you can access in-depth analytics covering total sales, order volume, product performance, and customer demographics. These insights help you understand which products are performing best, what times your sales peak, and which types of content drive the most conversions. The analytics dashboard also breaks down key metrics such as conversion rates, average order value, refund rates, and customer repeat purchase behavior. You can view performance by campaign, product, or video, allowing you to pinpoint exactly where your sales are coming from. These detailed insights help sellers make data-backed decisions to improve pricing, inventory management, and advertising strategies for higher profitability. Many professional sellers use Helium 10 alongside TikTok Shop's analytics to get even deeper insights. Helium 10 helps analyze keyword trends, competitor activity, and customer intent, giving sellers a 360-degree view of their market performance. When combined with TikTok Shop's built-in reports, Helium 10 provides a complete toolkit for optimizing listings, boosting visibility, and scaling sales efficiently. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze your TikTok Shop sales data and grow your business like a pro.